In science, we often discover that behind simple observations there are very powerful rules. One of those rules is the principle that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can move from one place to another. It can change form, from motion to heat, from light to electricity, from chemical energy to mechanical work. But the total amount always remains the same. Now that sounds like a very bold statement. It's almost like the universe is keeping a perfect accounting book. No matter what physical process occurs, whether it's a moving planet, a burning star, or a tiny particle collision, the total energy before and after the event must balance exactly. And the fascinating part is that this rule doesn't come from guessing or philosophy. It comes from countless experiments and observations, showing that whenever energy seems to disappear, it has simply changed into another form. So today we're going to explore this beautiful idea, why energy cannot be created or destroyed, how it constantly transforms from one form to another, and why this simple principle turns out to be one of the deepest laws governing the entire universe. When scientists talk about energy, they are not referring to something you can easily see or touch. Energy is not like a solid object or a substance that can be held in your hand. Instead, it is a concept that helps us describe how things move, change, and interact in the universe. In simple terms, energy is the ability of a system to cause change or do work. You can begin to understand energy by looking at everyday examples. Imagine lifting a book from the floor and placing it on a table. While you are lifting it, your muscles are using chemical energy stored in your body. That chemical energy is converted into motion as your arm moves the book upward. Once the book is resting on the table, it has gained something called gravitational potential energy because of its position above the ground. Now imagine pushing a bicycle so it begins to roll down a hill. As it moves faster and faster, it gains kinetic energy, which is the energy associated with motion. If the bicycle eventually slows down because of friction with the road, that kinetic energy does not simply disappear. Instead, it is converted into other forms, such as heat in the tires and the surface of the road. Energy appears in many different forms throughout nature. Motion is only one example. Heat is another form of energy that comes from the random motion of particles within materials. Light carries energy from the sun to earth, warming the planet and allowing plants to grow. Electricity carries energy through wires, powering lights, computers, and machines. Chemical energy is stored in fuels and food, and nuclear energy is stored inside the atomic nuclei of matter. What makes energy such a powerful idea in physics is that it provides a common way to describe many different processes. Even though these forms of energy look very different from each other, they can all be measured using the same units and related through physical laws. This means that energy can change from one form to another while still being tracked and accounted for. For example, when a light bulb is turned on, electrical energy flows through a thin filament inside the bulb. As the electric current passes through the filament, it heats up and begins to glow, producing light. In this process, electrical energy is being transformed into light energy and heat energy. The energy has not been lost. It has simply changed form. Another example appears when we think about falling objects. If you hold a ball in the air, it possesses gravitational potential energy because of its height above the ground. When you release it, that stored energy begins converting into kinetic energy as the ball accelerates downward. By the time it reaches the ground, much of the potential energy has become motion. These examples show that energy often moves between different forms as events unfold. Sometimes the changes are easy to notice, like the motion of a moving object. Other times, they are less obvious, such as the tiny increases in temperature caused by friction or the small amounts of light emitted during chemical reactions. Scientists discovered that keeping track of energy provides an incredibly reliable way to understand physical processes. Even when a system becomes complicated, the idea of energy allows us to follow what is happening. If something speeds up, slows down, heats up, or produces light, energy is involved in the transformation. Because of this, energy acts almost like a bookkeeping system for nature. Instead of tracking every tiny motion of every particle in the universe, physicists can use the concept of energy to summarize how systems behave. By measuring how energy moves and changes form, They can describe complex phenomena in a simple and consistent way. Although energy itself cannot be seen directly, its effects appear everywhere around us, in moving objects, flowing electricity, warming sunlight, burning fuels, and countless other processes that constantly shape the world we experience. One of the most fascinating aspects of energy is that it rarely stays in a single form for very long. In almost every physical process, energy is constantly changing from one form into another. Motion becomes heat, chemical energy becomes light, electrical energy becomes sound, and countless other transformations occur throughout nature. Even though these forms look very different from one another, they are all connected through the same underlying concept of energy. A simple example appears when you drop a ball from your hand before you release it. The ball has gravitational potential energy because it is held above the ground. This energy is related to its position in Earth's gravitational field. The higher the ball is lifted, the greater the amount of potential energy it possesses. The moment you let go, that stored energy begins transforming. As the ball falls, its speed increases and the potential energy gradually turns into kinetic energy, which is the energy associated with motion. The ball accelerates toward the ground, converting more and more of its stored energy into movement as it falls. When the ball finally strikes the ground, something interesting happens. The motion suddenly stops, but the energy involved in that motion does not simply vanish. Instead, it spreads into other forms. Some of the energy becomes heat as the ball and the ground slightly warm from the impact. Some become sound waves that travel through the air when you hear the bounce. If the ball is elastic, part of the energy compresses the ball and then pushes it back upward, allowing it to bounce. In this way, the original energy that existed when the ball was lifted continues to appear in different forms as the process unfolds. The transformations may involve motion, heat, sound, or other effects, but the energy itself continues moving through the system in different ways. Another example can be seen in something as ordinary as a car engine. Inside the engine, fuel contains chemical energy stored within the bonds of its molecules. When the fuel burns, chemical reactions release that stored energy. The energy from the burning fuel hits expanding gases that push against pistons inside the engine. Those moving pistons then turn the wheels of the car. During this process, chemical energy is converted into thermal energy from the hot gases, which then becomes mechanical energy that produces motion. As the car moves along the road, friction between the tires and the ground gradually converts some of that motion into heat. Even the sound of the engine and the vibration of the car involve small amounts of energy being transformed. These transformations happen constantly in everyday life. Electrical energy flowing through a wire can be converted into light in a lamp or heat in a toaster. Chemical energy in food is converted by the human body into movement, warmth, and biological processes that keep us alive. Sunlight reaching Earth carries radiant energy that plants convert into chemical energy during photosynthesis. What makes these processes remarkable is that even though the form of energy keeps changing, the total amount remains connected through these transformations. Whenever energy seems to disappear from one place, it can be found appearing somewhere else in a different form. Sometimes the changes are easy to observe, like motion becoming sound during a collision. Other times, the transformations are subtle and spread across many tiny effects, such as the gradual warming of surfaces caused by friction. But in every case, energy is simply shifting from one form to another rather than being created from nothing or disappearing completely. This constant transformation of energy is happening everywhere in the universe, from the smallest chemical reactions inside cells to the enormous processes occurring in stars, where nuclear energy is converted into light and heat that travel across space. When scientists studied many different physical processes over time, they began noticing a remarkable pattern. No matter what kind of event was taking place, whether it involved moving objects, chemical reactions, electricity, or heat, the total amount of energy involved always remained constant when everything was carefully accounted for. Energy could move from one place to another and change from one form into another, but it never seemed to appear out of nothing or vanish completely. This observation led to one of the most important principles in all of physics, known as the conservation of energy. The idea is simple but powerful. In an isolated system, the total amount of energy always stays the same. Energy may transform between different forms, but the total sum does not change. You can imagine this principle as a kind of universal accounting rule. In accounting, money can be transferred between accounts, spent, or invested. But if you track every transaction correctly, the total amount is always accounted for somewhere. In a similar way, energy behaves as if the universe is keeping perfect records. If energy disappears from one part of a system, it must have moved somewhere else or changed form. Consider again the example of a falling object. When a ball is held high above the ground, it possesses gravitational potential energy. As it falls, that stored energy converts into kinetic energy as the ball speeds up. When the ball hits the ground, the motion stops, but the energy does not vanish. Instead, it spreads into heat, sound, and small deformations in the materials involved. If you could measure every tiny effect, the slight warming of the surfaces, the vibrations in the air, and the energy used in deforming the ball, you would find that the total amount of energy before and after the event remains exactly the same. It has simply been redistributed into different forms. This principle holds true in much larger systems as well. In a power plant, chemical energy stored in fuel is converted into heat through combustion. That heat produces steam, which spins turbines. The turbines then generate electrical energy that flows through power lines to homes and cities. Throughout this entire chain of processes, energy is constantly changing form, but the total amount is conserved. Even the massive processes occurring inside stars follow the same rule. In the core of a star, nuclear reactions convert small amounts of mass into enormous amounts of energy. That energy travels outward as light and heat spreading across space. Although the forms change dramatically, the total energy involved still follows the same conservation principle. The idea that energy cannot be created or destroyed has been tested in countless experiments across many areas of physics. Whether scientists are studying tiny particles in accelerators or enormous cosmic events, the same rule continues to hold true. Whenever a process seems to violate it, careful investigation usually reveals an overlooked form of energy that completes the balance. This consistency makes the conservation of energy one of the most reliable tools scientists have for understanding the universe. By tracking how energy moves and transforms, physicists can analyze complex systems without needing to follow every tiny detail of motion or interaction. The remarkable thing about this principle is how universal it is. It applies equally to mechanical motion, electrical systems, chemical reactions, biological processes, and astronomical events. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, the same rule appears to govern how energy behaves. In this sense, the conservation of energy acts like a fundamental law written into the fabric of nature itself, ensuring that although energy may flow, transform, and spread throughout the universe, its total amount always remains constant. So when we think about energy, we begin to see that the universe operates with a remarkable kind of order. Energy may move from one place to another and transform into many different forms: motion, heat, light, electricity, or chemical reactions. But the total amount always remains balanced. This simple yet powerful idea reveals how deeply connected physical processes are, from the smallest events in our everyday lives to the enormous reactions happening inside stars. What seems like ordinary motion or heat is actually part of a continuous flow of energy, shaping everything around us. The principle that energy cannot be created or destroyed is one of the foundations of modern physics, helping scientists understand how the universe works.